Hi guys, Nicole Bowling here. Just want to welcome you all to my Reborn baby nursery. We have Jace, Harper, Colette, Robin, and the naughty Nanny McBee. Welcome to my nursery. So this is the big day of the reveal. We are in Shiner, Texas, and we are at my cousin and her family's, and we have Daddy here. Hi, Daddy.
Hello.
Okay, and I have a surprise for Daddy in my arms. I'm gonna go ahead and hand the baby over and let him unravel her. Go ahead.
What?
Unravel the baby. Hi, Drake.
Smells like baby.
Yes.
Drake's one.
Unravel her fully. He already knows it's a girl, so I'm not spoiling that.
No, I didn't.
Oh, he didn't know. Well, now you know.
You just messed it up.
Well, now you know. Hold on.
Ah, cute bracelet. You must have made that.
Yeah.
Cute feet.
Oh.
Oh, she's cute.
Brandon.
She's cute.
What do you
Very
think?
nice.
Look at her nose. Whose nose is that?
Yours.
Whose mouth is that? Whose big chunky face is that?
Oh no.
Mine.
She's very cute.
So what do you think? This is by Tiny Sprouts Reborns. So what do you think?
She's beautiful. Very good. Very good.
You want to know what her name is? Colette Marie.
Oh, you're going with Colette again.
Mm-hmm. Let's get a close-up of them.
Oh, she's beautiful.
Look at me, Daddy.
She is beautiful. Very good job.
All right, guys, so there it is. He approves. Daddy approved. He's still looking her over.
Good. Very good.
All right, well, we will see y'all next time. So if you'd like to see more of my babies in my nursery, like and subscribe. Take care, God bless, and love you all. Bye-bye.